Hey there, Reginald Clark here, and I am live at a new construction home here in Sienna. If anybody knows me knows that going live makes me nervous, but because I want to look perfect and sound perfect. Now this AK filter is making me look very nice. Let me turn these notifications off. Okay, got it. All right, touring this beautiful new construction home in Sienna, priced at $449. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it's just lovely. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour here. Now, this is one of my favorite spaces when you walk in. It's a flex area. Now, you can use it as an office space, or you can use it as a formal dining room, formal living room. Personally, I would use it as an office space because I want to be at the front of the house, and I like to see who's coming up to the house and where my Amazon packages are. So, absolutely love that. There's also a half bath at the front. So I like this as well, or a powder room, whatever you want to call it. The visitors don't even have to go in your like bedrooms to go to the restroom, take care of their business. Now this is the laundry room. Now this house is move-in ready, so keep in mind. Now if you want a laundry room where you can customize, you can add a sink. You do have to, build that home, and you won't get necessarily that $20,000 incentives, but that is an option. So this is the great room. I love that this kitchen has lots of space here, counter space, an island, stainless steel appliances, and a full-size pantry. And look at all of this space. Now for winter time, we get like maybe 2 weeks of winter. We have this beautiful fireplace here. Look at that. Just lovely. So I'm going to take you into the bedrooms. So we'll start off at the secondary bedrooms. Now this home is in Sienna, and personally I live in Sienna. I'm a little biased. It's a great community. There's lots of amenities, like 5 community pools. We have 2 gyms. There's a golf course. What else do we have? I know I'm missing some amenities, but there's just lots. There are nature trails, like a couple trails here. And there are event centers as well. So those are just some of the amenities. This is a secondary bedroom. Remember, it's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Get a closet with the double doors. And then another secondary bedroom with the double doors. I forgot to mention that every single room has a fan with a remote. Even in the living room area. This is a full-size bathroom. Now, I love this door. I always wanted one of these. I feel like this is perfect for a nice summer evening. Very big yard, and there's no neighbors behind. And then also, too, a great thing about these fences, the brick fences, is that it's covered by the HOA, so you don't have to pay for that when the time comes to replace it. Just the 2 side fences, and they are the good neighbor fences. And then the vaulted ceilings on the patio. And there's recessed lighting there. And there's even a spot for you to install a fan. And this is the owner's suite. Now, having some issues turning on this light. I think it's user error, not the house. And then there's a small closet space here. And a full walk-in shower. Oh, this would be fun. And then an enclosed toilet. And let me see, can I turn on flash here? Probably not. All right, again, this home is located just in Sienna. It's new construction, $449, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. If you are interested in this home, also $20,000 off. So if you are interested in this home, definitely hit me up through DM and I can help you come get this home